Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, you know, we have been on quarantine for like a month and 1 week, and I've been teaching Sunday how to cook, and she's been doing her distant learning. How you like that, Sunday? You like learning on the computer instead of going to school, or what?
I like going on the computers.
Better?
Yep. Hi.
So we are looking raggedy because, you know, we ain't got to get dressed because we ain't got nowhere to go, right?
Yeah, that's why the virus.
What's going on Sunday?
The virus.
What's the virus called?
I'm like, quarantine?
No, fool. Corona.
Oh, corona.
What is it called? The coronavirus?
Yeah, the coronavirus.
Okay, so I'm teaching Sunday how to cook today.
Yeah.
We're going to be very careful. Sunday is 6 years old. She turns 6 on the 2nd of this month. So I need to teach her how to be independent because, you know what I'm saying, in times like this, mama don't want to cook all the time, right?
Yeah.
So she over here eating Skittles. So we're going to show you what Sunday is about to cook. What are you cooking tonight?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Barbecue chicken, yeah.
She's cooking barbecue, skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and show y'all some of the products that she is using. So if you want to see Sunday cook this chicken, you want to see my baby cook this chicken, then stay tuned.
Yes.
Okay, so Sunday says she is ready for the chicken. So she says she hungry. So she got to eat her Skittles and drink some water.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the tripod. First, Sunday got some beautiful boneless, skinless chicken thighs right there. It got a little fat on it, but it's okay. She got the garlic powder, the pepper, the barbecue sauce, and the seasoning sauce. I mean, not the seasoning sauce, the seasoning salt. So this is what we're using today, you guys. I hope you guys stay tuned. Okay, go ahead. All over the chicken.
All over it? Are you good?
Okay. Garlic.
I need to use my skills. Garlic, garlic. You need to smell the taste, so it'll be super
All
good.
over it. Over there too.
There. Oh, right there. Right there.
Ooh.
Oh.
Okay, put that down.
It's okay. It's okay.
Pepper. Mommy help you with the pepper.
Okay. You're gonna get what's the table?
Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add some grease to the pan.
Peace.
How you guys been doing?
Yeah, comment down below how you guys been doing.
Okay, so I'm going to add some grease to the pan. We're going to be very careful with that. Put the tops on the seasoning. Oh, no, you got to turn the chicken over and season the bottom.
Wait, what?
Turn the chicken over
You can
and season the bottom.
This is nasty.
Girl, do you want to cook or do you want to talk about how it's nasty?
I'll cook, duh. But it looks so like what? I got even juice.
Okay, turn all the chicken over before you season everything. You got to do it all together.
That's enough.
Okay, go ahead and season the bottom. So she's seasoning the chicken with seasoning salt.
Yep. Girl, you need your
Okay, that's enough.
Girl, you said all around. That's not eat.
Girl, boo.
We say that all the time, so don't worry. It's not a bad word, okay? It's not a bad word.
Okay, I'm gonna season this chicken because you're taking too long. Get the pepper.
Where's the pepper? Oh.
So we're gonna go ahead and fry the fish in some grease.
Yep.
Moo, how you eating Skittles and cooking at the same time?
I'm hungry, bro.
That ain't food, bro.
But I want some snack.
Okay, so this chicken is looking real good.
Yep.
So this is how the chicken is looking.
They can't see your face.
They don't need to see my face. They just need to see your beautiful face.
Oh, thank you, Mama.
And her hair, it ain't combed. What?
So long.
I'm drinking me a michelada that I made myself.
Yeah, and I got me some Skittles and water. Don't even care, it's not healthy, but water is healthy, duh.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this grease cook or warm up. And me and my baby gonna throw this chicken on in the pan. Oh, why you so ugly?
Mama, you ugly.
You are so ugly.
They just saw your face.
Hi guys. We are here today. I know I haven't been on here in a while. We just been quarantining. Sunday started her distant learning. And you like that better than going to school?
Yes, girl. That's why. Look, you know you can't go to school. That's at the corona.
You see she ain't got no teeth, y'all? They gone. Her hair getting long. Show me your hair. Bam. So yeah, we over here chilling. Shania at her daddy's house. I'm gonna pick her up Friday. She been doing her distant learning at her daddy's house.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, and her school gave her a laptop.
Why can't you never? Why did you didn't tell me that yesterday?
Well, she got to learn too. You can't learn at your daddy's house. You got to do it over here.
That's why my daddy don't have a computer, or my uncle. But he has his. My uncle has a old shush phone.
Talk and shut up.
So guys, hi. It's just me by myself. So how you been? My mom's right there walking. Oh my god, she looks so sexy.
We're about to throw this chicken on, but you can't do it because it's hot.
Mama, you said I was cooking, not you.
Hold on, let me move. Hold on. I made Sunday step back because this grease is kind of hot. I put it on low, and we're gonna go ahead and fry this chicken. Told you it's hot. And I put it on low. The reason why it's frying like that is because the grease was hot. And it's water on the chicken. You scared?
I'm scared. I'm scared, Mama. I want Tweezers.
I ain't got no tweezers. Put it in there. Let's go.
I'm scared. I'm scared. That's kind of scary.
So these are boneless, skinless chicken wings. Hey, you about to kill me. No more, because you got to place it in there. You can't just drop it in there. Now I'm gonna have a big old hole in my hand. Y'all see how she just threw that chicken in there like that?
I'm scared.
She's trying to kill me.
No, it's not. I'm scared.
I'm about to have a big old scar on my hand because of you. Okay, so we gonna go ahead and fry this chicken. Good job, baby. Okay?
Okay.
And I know I don't want to hear my stove is dirty. This is a little part I could tear off and throw it in the trash. I got a lot of those. But this is what we're dealing with right now, okay? So this is the chicken. And it smells so good already. So we're gonna let them go ahead and brown on both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and cook the chicken throughout. So we'll show y'all the process as we go, okay? So let's go ahead and let this chicken cook for a minute. So they talking about letting me finish my show, so I guess I'm finishing the chicken. I just want them to be brown on every side.
Oh, hi guys.
Say hi. You put your head down there by the knees.
Hi.
So I guess I'm finishing the chicken off, you guys.
No,
It's still not done on this side. We gotta wait till it get brown. Because we want to make sure chicken is done because you don't want salmonella. Say salmonella.
Salmonella.
What?
I don't know.
Okay, so I just want the chicken to get a little brown on the side. I drained a little bit of grease into my other skillet because I'm going to be making some rice-a-roni. Put that knife down before I whoop your butt. I'm going to be making some rice-a-roni in the other skillet.
Put it.
This is quarantine food, y'all. Quarantine food. Okay, so I'm going to let that go ahead and get brown on the other side. And then I'm going to flip them over.